Here's a little known fact. If you only brush your teeth, you're only doing half the job of taking care of your teeth. That's why it's also important to floss your teeth at least daily. And you might be surprised to know that you should floss first. Here's how. Start by tearing off a length of floss. A good way to measure this is from your hand to your elbow. This should give you about 18 inches of floss. Wind one end around your middle finger like this, then the rest around your other middle finger. Grasp 1 to 2 inches of floss with your pointer finger and thumb. This is the part you'll be using on your teeth. Angle the floss and then slide it down between your teeth so it hugs the tooth in a C shape, like this. Then gently slide it up and down the surface of the tooth. Don't forget to gently go slightly below the gum line, where bacteria like to hide. Repeat it in the opposite direction for the tooth next to that one. Then, bring the floss up and move your pointer finger and thumb down to a new section of clean floss. You'll want to do this often. To make sure you floss each of your teeth, work in one direction. For example, you could start with your upper left molars and work your way around until you finish with your lower left molars. When you're done flossing, that's the time to brush your teeth. Then you can brush away the bacteria and rinse with either water or mouthwash. Some people might have difficulty flossing. Parents should floss the teeth of young children until they're able to do it themselves, about the time they start elementary school. Other choices for cleaning between the teeth include disposable preloaded flossers and devices with tiny bristles. It doesn't matter which floss you choose, whether it's waxed or unwaxed, flavored or not. Just flossing each day will go a long way toward keeping your gums and teeth healthy.